Hello again, welcome back. In this video we're going to be putting together a little arts, crafts, little tool selection. This thing here, so it's got 3 trays on it. And it just goes together with some wheels and slots on top of each other. Now it's going to be used in this instance for some arts and crafts, some painting. It's actually alcohol based painting, and it's a little kit that came together, and this is the box that came with it. This here. So we'll be putting it together, but it can be used for other things. It doesn't have to be used specifically for that, but in this instance that's what we're going to be using. So first of all, to start with, we're going to want these pieces here, which are the bottom bend pipes, they're called. 2 of them. On this particular kit you do get a little screwdriver with the screws. That's all the tools you need. There is 3 of these. One of them's a handle, the other 2 are like the stand. It's always worth setting all your bits and pieces out first so you know what you've got. So you've got these little trays as well that go with it. 3 of those. Side. So for now we'll take everything that we need. These are the trays. There's 3 of those. Watch that one, you won't need that. Except for the rubbish. Right, now there's 3 of these. Now looking at them, these 2 have got holes in them, so these will be the bottoms. See? So they're going to go like that. And that will be the top one with the handle. So it's quite a straightforward job. Like I say, you get the little screwdriver here. It's a little Phillips head screwdriver. So you can follow along with that if you need to. I may even use it actually. Keep our screws in there somewhere else. The clips as well. The upper pipes. Now you can do these on the floor, but I always prefer to use on the table. That's because of my age and I don't like bending down if I can help it. So they look pretty much the same. You've got an insert on them. Not an insert, but I don't know what you call that. It goes in, it's narrower anyway, so the top will fit into it. Like so. There's 8 of those, they all look the same, so leave them all together. And then we've got our little wheels, these are the casters. So there's our 4 wheels. You also get a little tool. Doing it up. Again, I won't need that as I've got my ratchets, but if you need to, there's your toolkit, comes with it. So, we've got the first basket, which we're going to slot in. Nice and easy. Right, so that's the first one on. You can see. Nice and easy. And then we've got the extension. There's 4 of these. The recess goes down. Put those in. Stop it twisting and moving about. So, use that trusty screwdriver to cover the kit. Put those in. I mean, it can be put in afterwards, presumably. Self sort of tapping. Now the pack of screws that come with it, they're all the same size, so you don't need to worry about mixing them up. Put the wrong size in. In place. As you can see, these are not exactly perfectly straight, but they'll line up once we put the next one in. So that's sort of square. So the next tray. That way. Line the little hole up again. As I say, they're going quite easy. No puffing and puffing to get them in. Now, it can be used, like, as I say, for a number of different applications. On this case, we're making it for a little art kit with the paint. Little bottles of paint are going to go in there. It came with the kit, so that's what's going to be used for. Like I say, it could be used for any number of applications. On its next drawer. Only one way they can go, these things, so. Bend pipe handle. Turn that round, that can go, just slots in. Yeah, there's two little screw holes for that. I didn't need my toolkit again. Nice and easy to assemble. So if you've never done it before, it's one of the ones you can try if you're sort of fairly handy at DIY. It's quite an easy one to do. Quite self-explanatory. Everything slots in. That's pretty much it. The only thing then to go on are the casters. Put those down. There's just a thread inside these, they just screw in. You've got a little nut. I probably will use my little tool that come with it. I was going to use my own toolkit, but just as easy really to use these. That's pretty much it. There's your little craft set with your handle, your wheels, 2 locks. Yep, they work. Goes around. You get these little clips as well. I'm not quite sure where these go. Is it for these baskets? Presumably it is. These are for the little paint kits, or maybe for mixing up. I'm not quite sure. It's not actually for me. But, maybe put things on the edge of them. I'm not sure. We'll leave them in there for now. And there you have it. That's your little crafts set. There's a little cap goes in there. I think I've dropped that one again. And that's it. There you go. So that's your little craft set.